Hello everybody, this is Trevor with Jimmy Trading, and today I'm here with our R34 GTR V-Spec II. This car is beyond beautiful. The lines, the paint. It's the kind of car that smells good on the inside. You can feel it's been in the garage kept its whole life. The one and only original blue GTR V-Spec II. The window seals are immaculate. What's that called? The gums. The paint is beautiful. Diffuser's looking good. Yeah, this car smells wonderful. Looks very nice and clean, barely used on the inside. Shift knob, e-brake, steering wheel, showing minimal wear. NISMO Tachometer, showing 19,600 kilometers. Lights all working. Oops. Get in. Showing a little bit there on the screen, but nothing too big. AC is blowing cold. All in all, this is a beauty. Has the rear camera, wide view, mirror, ETC equipped. Keyless entry, original GTR key. Blue LED lights in the front grille, looking wonderful. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful car. A little cracking here. Extremely clean engine bay. Running very, very good. Engine running very, very good. AC is working, as you can hear from the engine idle. Much cleaner than this. good. As you can see, our plate fell off there, as this car is legal to drive on Japanese roads. Kakimoto Exhaust. The back view camera. And yeah, this car has inspection to drive on Japanese roads, so it's just good to go. You just can't ask for a cleaner R34 GTR. Seats showing minimal wear at all. Trunk very, very clean. All original parts equipped. Makes it feel like these 19,000 kilometers are all original. It's just windows are working. Now, if anybody has any more questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'm happy to go over them with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.